Here you go. Here's the place where I crashed. You see, in this area, there is the big tall building here. So what happened is that I took off from this spot here and I went off towards this side to get some pictures of these buildings here. And in the process of that, I lost signal because it went behind here somehow from this spot. So I suspected what happened because I wasn't recording, I was taking pictures, then it went all the way towards this building here, somehow didn't hit this. But instead it changed its course from here, from pointing at these buildings to pointing at these 3 buildings here. So for some reason as though it set its home point up here, so I suspected when it went around in this area it lost its GPS again, so it went somewhere around this at the home point here instead, which is not really the right spot. So it went from here all the way to the top of this building. Dang it won't let me get closer. It went here. You see this like bamboo plant here? I know you can't really see it, but it's there. So yeah, that's where I crashed into. So I'm nearly missing, dropping 42 stories down to this bit court over here, which is really impressive. And yeah, let me show you the road right here. So yes, so what happened when I lost signal, then I suddenly got a notification saying landing. It was somewhere up there, so I lost signal as soon as it landed on the plant. So I was on this side here. So I was walking around, I thought like maybe it's returning to home. Now I heard landing here, so I was looking up in the air, there's nothing. So what I decided to do is that I walked all the way up to this side of the road because I got signal, so I know it's somewhere safe. So I got up to here and there's still no signal, so I started like wandering. Then I looked at the map on the DJI Go, like when the drone was last seen, and it said it was up there at this building. So I started walking around here, walking. And then I got signal here, so I was like, where could it be? I looked at this building and there's no plant. I look at this building, there's no plants. I look at this one that's way too short and I could see like red roofs. So I look at this roof, it looks rather familiar. And by here already I got full image, so I started pointing it around and I see that. There you go, can you see the plant? Yeah, that's the plant where I got stuck at. There's a white dot in the video. So yes, I had to ask them for permission to get in, and I'll roll the clips. Yeah, it's stuck up there. Alright. I suppose this is the first time it happened. I also don't know what happened. No, it's the big one here. It's the second tower. Yeah, the second tower. I have no idea what happened either. Because one moment like it said landing, after that I didn't know what happened after that.
Fourth story. Doors are closing.
How many meters you can go up?
It can go up to 300, but I thought this building was only 200 meters high, and I think I was just shy of that.
Oh.
But it's supposed to have sensors at the front to stop, but I don't know why that didn't work.
The name is wow. Is the name the camera?
The Phantom. Yeah.
Doors are closing.
Let me see. Yeah, it's definitely at this side. About 2,000 around there.
What you record, the save in the phone lah.
Yeah. And then I also I make videos using this phone onto like YouTube and things. So I guess
now this wedding all there.
Yeah, I know. My sister actually has like an event coming up. Because yeah, then I was planning to use this, so I was just practicing because I replaced this propeller mounts. And I think everything.
But this one can you use at the condo side?
I know like I'm not gonna go towards people's houses and then like stare at them and see what they're doing. Nah, I don't do that.
No, I know.
All I do is I just do some photos and videos. I must say I was really lucky. I'm super lucky didn't go off yet. Because it could have ended up on the roof. No, but this one is not moving. I underestimated the height of this building. That was quite hard today. Thanks for that. Nothing damage. Nothing. It just got wet in the street, that's all. Oh, my bag is at the restaurant. My bag is at the restaurant. Nothing is damaged at all. Yeah, thank you, sir. I need to take my bag. Huh? Where's your bag? My bag is out here. I know you have. Shit. No issue. No issue at all. I need to go to my bag. Alrighty, we're gonna see whether the drone still works after that crash. Alrighty. It should go fly. Let's see any errors. IMU warming up. Okay, IMU warming up. Ignore that. Okay, camera seems to work. That's fine. No issues. I have low battery warning. It still works, hell yeah. Kicks because they let me up onto this super tall building. Holy crap. What a day. Saw really interesting things, had some new experience. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Hey. Hey brother. Thank you.
Hey, what?
For helping me, we just give you something.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, brother.
You have a good day here.
Yeah, you too. I know. Thank you very much for letting me climb all the way out there.
Okay, so can
Yeah, thanks, brother. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video of me explaining how my Phantom 4 got stuck on a 42-story building with no damage in the end. So yeah, this was a really lucky spot. But I would advise you all next time when you all fly, like try not to fly in an area that's covered by trees or there's like a lot of tall buildings because that blocks your GPS signal. You got to make sure your bar is always constantly and you have always GPS locked, or not the home point is just gonna remove itself, and that's what happened to me. Then that's why I landed on the 42-story building and I was able to recover it. Thank you for that security guards to allow me to do so. If not, I wouldn't be able to get drone back, and then I would probably lose about $700. So thanks very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this little story. If there's some more stories like this, I'll be sure to share it with y'all, and I'll see you